Hey friends, if you wish to install a printer without the CD/DVD driver, then please watch this video. Now the reason people are asking for it at the first place is because even as of present, a lot of printer companies including HP are sending their printers along with the CD/DVD, but they don't have a CD/DVD player. So while you can download the drivers from the internet, I'll show you how. But you do not even need to do that these days because the newer operating systems have this feature where you can right click on the start button, select settings, and then you can go to the Bluetooth and devices tab, select devices, and then you can scroll down and try to find a new printer. Okay, wait, you can go to printers and scanners and you can connect to your printer, or you can add a device and find a new printer. But if the intention is specifically to install the drivers, which is not required according to me, but if you want to do that, then open your browser and let's say you have an HP printer, or let's say you have a Canon printer for the sake of this example. So search its model and then say driver download, and then go to its website and then download these drivers and then select open. So this is how you can download the drivers for your printer. I mean, it could be an HP driver, it could be some other company's driver. You just have to go to the website and download it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.